Hi friends, some exciting news just in case you hadn't heard. I am now a Londoner. Beth and I moved to London this weekend, and this is the story of us moving away from home for good and building our new life and home on a budget in the beautiful Greenwich for the measly sum of £20,000 a year to rent. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see us transform an empty shell into a cosy, productive and happy home. Alrighty, so it is the night before I'm leaving home. That sounds scary. I mean, I do feel genuinely emotional about this. I've packed up all my stuff pretty much from my room, and it does feel strange, but I'm really excited as well at the same time, to be moving in with Beth. And I mean, I think because it's been this slow transition from living at home, being between my mum's and Beth's families, and now I think we're both ready, and we're both ready to move to London, which is super exciting. But yeah, it is a bit strange, it is a bit emotional leaving my bedroom behind. But there's no point in kind of being sad. It is what it is, and it's got to happen at some point. I am 25. So yeah, just excited really to get to the place tomorrow and see what it's like. And I also now get to enjoy the task of moving all of my stuff downstairs. I actually don't have that much stuff. I've got 2 massive suitcases over there, another massive suitcase over there, and then various boxes, a couple of small bags, but actually not that much stuff. So we're off. My room is empty, and it's time to go and load up the car. Right. Mum's a bit emotional. Working? Si's ready. Windscreen wipers. Yeah, they work. As well as necessary. There's some of my stuff. No. Car's fully MOT'd. I'm on it.
It might not work.
So if you can try and hold it sort of somewhat flat.
I'm trying.
Can you not see how skewy?
Yeah, I know, but it's because of the microphone. It's fine.
We are 215. Mum's already in. It's been really nicely done. Nice little coat hooks. Come down here. Nice kitchen area. Mum's already
cleaning stuff like that.
Checking it out.
Mouse and rat killer. That's not positive.
There's our friend in the garden taking photos. It's pretty nice.
Bottle of Moe.
Yeah, bottle of Moe in the fridge. Look at that. Beautiful. Right, come and have a look downstairs. They've also put nice new switches in everywhere, which is nice. Here we go. Down the steps. Nice new carpet down here. Not so sure about the light. And then just the bathroom in here. There I am. Nice shower. And come along here. Here's the bedroom. Does smell a bit dampy, doesn't it? Okay, so quick update. Here we are. And the table's up. I'm in the living room, nice mirror. And we've got quite a few boxes, there's Mum. But the kitchen's taking shape nicely. Downstairs, slightly different story. Beth's out at IKEA at the moment. Our mattress had mould growing on it, so she's gone to go and get a new one, as well as bedding, because we were told we had a standard size bed, actually king size, which is a bonus. But yeah, all of our bedding doesn't fit. So yeah, but it's 4 PM and we're making good progress. Alrighty, it's 5 PM and Mum has just left, and I did get a little bit emotional, but just feels odd, and my mum has done so much for me, so it's just but managed to pretty much hold it together, which is good. And yeah, in other news, I'm now cracking on. I'm definitely putting some music on now, lighten the mood for me. It's just me now. Best at IKEA. Apparently it was carnage. And yeah, I'm gonna crack on with the bathroom because I've pretty much done all my stuff, which is a pretty good effort, other than sort of office stuff. But yeah, let's crack through the bathroom and then chill out. Hopefully the sofa's gonna come then, and then yeah, hopefully get some food at some point because I'm absolutely starving. But nearly there. Here we are. Little update. There's the train going past. And here we have socially distanced, of course, so I can't help him. My German friend. He loves building IKEA furniture, so that's why he's here. Now they're moving to Germany. This is Henrik. This is Matilda. And yeah, he's making great progress on the IKEA sofa to be completed soon. So keep it up, Henrik. Beth.
Yeah.
How would you rate Henrik's job?
I rate this as a 10 out of 10. It's very comfortable.
Beautiful. Great work, Henrik.
Great work, Kenny.
And now, very exciting. It's the Robo Hoover. Come on, Henrik. That's Henrik. He's very excited. Germans love a Robo Hoover. Let's have a look though. Oh. So I think this is the mop. It's also a mop.
Wow,
lovely.
That's quite cool.
Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Wow. Come on now. Come on now. That looks like a beast.
It's massive.
Nah, that's efficient. Exciting
That's
stuff. Alrighty, so it is night time. About 11 PM. Maybe a bit after. And we're in. It's just the two of us. We're both absolutely shattered. But we've made it. And yeah, got towels out. I mean, we've still got stuff everywhere.
There's stuff everywhere.
But we've tidied up in here and started to unpack our stuff, which is all very exciting. That's going to be where my desk goes and Beth's awesome new desk goes. And then in here, woohoo! Bed made after we found there was mould in our old mattress. Beth successfully bought a new mattress from IKEA, king size, love it. And our cushions look really good. Rise and shine. It's a new day. And yeah, my parents are coming to visit us in the park in about an hour. So we need to get cracking and try and get as much stuff tidied up as we can. First job, making the bed. So here we are, in Greenwich Park. And it's a bit grey. It's looking lovely. I'm currently in a tree. So, welcome to day 2 in the new house, and yeah, things are going. Look at this. We've got new coffee tables, sort of little thing by the chair, plant in location, nice little throw for the sofa. We need to buy some sofa cushions. Coming back round to me, we've got the kitchen now set up and making lunch. New kettle, new coffee machine. Was a birthday present. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's my Nespresso, which is fit. Other than that, yeah, look, box free since this morning. And downstairs, still a work in progress, to be updated post-lunch. So, time for the diffuser to come out.
This is really nice.
Yeah, baby.
Check this out.
Neon.
I'm actually really excited.
So we're putting this on because it turns out the air in London, plus like everything being new, it's not the one. I didn't sleep all that much, and also humidity wise, definitely not humid enough. So hopefully the humidifier / diffuser
will smell great, and also,
Is that meant to happen?
yeah, that's supposed to happen. And also, I'm going to help Beth now, so I'm going to put the camera down. But we'll give you an update once it's on.
You're bright.
Oh yeah. Here we go. It's not ideal, that. Hey, love it.
That is slightly annoying, but oh well.
So here we go. I just took the last of the boxes out of the hallway, which is pretty great news. And then, yeah, the kitchen's now taking shape nicely. We still need to buy some removable picture hooks that don't take paint off the wall when you remove them. But I think it's looking pretty great. And I'm about to get out. That's right, the ProScenic Robo Hoover. Ooh. Didn't fall down the stairs, so that's a good start. Come on now. I mean, I have no idea how this is actually going to find its way back to the charging station or anything like that, but hey, it appears to be doing a pretty good job.
That is so cool.
So it's the end of day 2. Here we are, in the pad. Got the coaster stuck to my drink glass.
That was amazing.
Ah, cheers indeed. And look, it's looking good. There's the kitchen over there, and that corner over there, looking really quite sophisticated. If I get out of the way. Love it. So yeah, I'll give you a quick tour later, and then I think tomorrow night we should have everything done, other than a few bits and pieces, and I'll give you an update.
Alexa, turn off living room light 2.
Okay.
It's day 3 in the Big Brother house. No, that wasn't right. It's day 3 in the little house. Today it is office day. You can't really see it because I'm in focus. But this office is going to be transformed today. We're going to get, hopefully, Wi-Fi on, Echo up and running, and the biggest thing of all, my desk going in here, hopefully, in the next half an hour. So yeah, very, very exciting. It's a sit-stand desk, and it's by the company Sit-Stand. And I am, yeah, very, very, very excited to see it go in. So yeah, fingers crossed.
So yeah, that is my desk being built right there, and very, very soon I'll be releasing an updated desk setup video and episode 2, so you can see the transformation of our bare office into an incredible workspace and our living area into a smart living room where I can control the TV, lights, speakers and vacuum by talking.
Alexa, turn off the kitchen.
Come on, that's pretty cool. Speak soon.